These rules are very important to note when simplifying side expressions. That root A times root A is A, and root A times B is the same as root A times root B, and root A divided by B is the same as root A divided by root B. In the previous session, we did cover that root A times root A is A. Simplify root 50. The key important thing to note here is to split this root 50 into perfect square root and a side. So we can write root 50 as root 25 times root 2. Root 25 is a perfect square root because we know that root 25 is 5 and then root 2 is a side. So 5 times root 2, that gives 5 root 2. Simplify root 24 plus root 54. Here we got to split root 24 into a perfect square root and a side. And we do the same with root 54. So root 24 becomes 4 times 6. 4, root 4 is perfect square root, so that gives me 2. So 2 times root 6, that gives you 2 root 6. Root 54 is the same. We need to do the same thing here. Splitting them into perfect square root, root 9 times root 6. So root 9 is 3. 3 times root 6, that gives us 3 root 6. So root 24 plus root 54, we have to add 2 root 6 plus 3 root 6. So that gives us 5 root 6. Now simplify these three expressions. Press pause, have a go. When you are done, press play. Okay, right. Here are the answers. Root 27, we can now split them into perfect square root, root 9 times root 3. And root 9 is 3. 3 times root 3, that gives me 3 root 3. The same thing for root 98, we can split them into root 49 times root 2. 49 is a perfect square root, so that gives me 7 times root 2, that is 7 root 2. Now, root 48 plus root 12, we can now split root 48 into root 16 times 3, which root 16 is 4 times root 3, that gives me 4 root 3. And root 12, we split that into root 4 times root 3, and root 4 is 2. So 2 times root 3, that gives me 2 root 3. So root 48 plus root 12, then we got to add these two together, which is 4 root 3, add 2 root 3, that gives me 6 root 3. Now, without using a calculator, simplify this. Now, I hope you made use of the fact that root A divided by root B is the same as root A over root B. So here, we cannot split them into two different parts. Root 81 divided by root 4. But then here, root 81 is a perfect square root, so that's 9. And root 4 is a perfect square root, that's 2. So 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5.